Welcome to Colored Spaces. Today we have a very quick eBay unboxing. Right here. Just one pair of sneakers. I won these on Monday, July 4th. Today is February. Oh my God. Today is July 8th, Friday. July 8th, Friday. Check it out. Okay, box is open. Kind of see that. Let's celebrate. Okay, so these are used. I normally go for the new in box, but these were a great deal. Okay, so as you can see, these are the Nike SB 6.0 Dunks. These were, let me see, I think these were 6 bids, 20 bucks. I won on a 6 bid, $10 shipping, so $30 total. Very good deal. These are used, but you know, it's a very awesome colorway. I really like this checkerboard colorway here. As you can see, that's pretty cool. I love the yellow pop. I really like the colors on these. The green, the blue, the yellow, the gray, the blue, the yellow. As you can see, these have been worn. But a really good deal. They're not in bad condition. They still got you can see the 6.0 Nike check inside. Gotta love the yellow laces. I'm gonna keep those in. Yeah, so only 6 bids, $20, $10 shipped, and $30 total. I think this is a great deal. They clearly have been worn, but we wear sneakers, so shout out to the sender, of course. Shipping was like only 2 days, so that's amazing. Look at that. Got the Nike. Got the 6.0 right there. They're not in bad condition at all, especially for $20, $30 total. Shout out to the sender, shout out to eBay. I normally go for the new in box. I love boxes, of course, but I couldn't pass these up. I think it's a good deal. Thanks for watching Colored Spaces. Shout out to you for watching. Peace out.